Are you tired of having knots in your hair all day? Do you have long hair and you want to brush through it, but you don't want to use a round brush like this and yank all your hair? Or you don't want to use a hair cutting comb and constantly just rip your hair out like this, like it's all knotty? Because if you use a hair cutting comb like this, especially with the fine teeth, you are literally just going to rip and shred out hair strands from your hair. What do you need? First of all, 25 spray. 25 spray, which is one of my products, literally is, in my opinion, one of the best detangling sprays, along with 24 other benefits, because one of the 25 is detangling, right? Getting through knots. So 24 other benefits to the hair. You get one of them, which is detangling. So spray that on wet hair. You don't need a whole lot. Press down very firmly on the sprayer so it misses out. If you just one light, it's made like a laser stream. So push down 1, 2, 3, 3 or 4 spritzes while your hair is damp. This is the brush, everyone. This is the brush. I've been using this brush for quite some time. I've been selling it on my website for quite some time. Why do I love this brush? Why do I use this brush? Because I'm not going to sell you anything or promote anything I don't use myself as a 25 or so year hairstylist. I'm not going to fool you people, okay? First of all, this is an anti-static vent brush. An anti-static vent brush, which means, look, do you see any static? No, okay? Look at this. No static whatsoever. A lot of brushes out there, literally you go like this and it's like you were electrocuted. Look at, no static. What does this do? First of all, the bristles are spaced out just enough so that when you can comb through the hair, you can get those knots out very, very, very easily. Mind you, yes, this hair is fairly easy to comb through, but this is fine hair, very, very fine, delicate hair. With a brush like this, you're able to really maneuver and manipulate through the hair without ripping it, tugging it, and you're able to keep your hair healthier for much longer. Also, this is one of my favorite parts. It's got a rubber handle. This is rubber. It's not like plastic like this. It has a rubber coating. So you can really, really, it's like a golf grip or tennis grip. You can grip onto this thing and literally you can feel like you're Thor with the hammer, okay? You're Thor with the hammer with this brush, and you can literally just comb right through without the hammer flying out to another planet, another galaxy. You have it right here in your hands and you're good to go, okay? You can comb through nicely, and I'm telling you, it is a lifesaver. Here is a mannequin. This works on any hair type, male, female, doesn't matter. Here is longer hair that has some knots in it. Watch this. Now this is on dry hair. So even if your hair is dry and you're like, oh, my hair is all knotty, okay? This is the first time I'm brushing it with this, okay? We got some knots there. There's some knots. Look at it. Hear that? Right through. Right through. No problem. No problem whatsoever. And look, there it is. The hair now has no knots, and if the hair is damp, it goes through even easier with 25 spray. Never, ever, 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 ever do this with a comb and rip, and you're literally destroying the mannequin. The mannequin has feelings. You're hurting the mannequin. You're pulling your hair out of your head. You're creating a homicide right there in the bathroom. You don't want to do that, okay? Here we go. You see, it's getting stuck. There's a chance you're going to break the comb in half, and look at the difference. Look at that, see? Right through. No problems, right through, no damage to the hair, no breakage. This is it. Shop.thesalonguy.com, YouTube20. Use code YouTube20, shop.thesalonguy.com. You get 20% off this brush right here. And I also have brushes. I have my Ionic ceramic round brush. This is a 2.5-inch size. I have the 2-inch TikToker size. I have my own hair cutting combs if you are looking to use them to cut hair. I have all the tools, blow dryer, products, anything you need. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.